Alright people, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alright, talking about how we introduce Islam for unbeliever people. Alright, I met a lot of native speakers in my life since 2009 until now. As to this guide, I got a lot of native speakers from Europe, United States, United Kingdom, and then Africa. When I met people from, people from United States at the time, when I got him, I showed for him the grace of Allah. At the time, just explain about tsunami disaster, 2004 December 26 at the time thing. Man, that guy asking me, everywhere restore, building, schools, farm, field, including mountain, but there's only survivor, there's only the mass. Xavier, yep, this is strong building. I'm sorry, sir, this is not talking about strong building. This is the best of all building. This is made by Chinese people very, very long time ago. For example, Masjid Baitul Rahim at the time was created in 1835, but Masjid Raya Baitul Mal was burned in 1875 and then rebuilt again with the Amsterdam or Netherlands army in 1878, because Netherlands at the time how the way to get out, took hurt. Aceh hurt at the time because they are very hyper of because Chinese people wanna attack back for Netherlands time. But when asking or explain about, can you imagine that, sir? Everything was destroyed. The only survived is only the mosque. This is not talking about miracle mosque. Not only one mosque, but also a lot of mosques. Example, Masjid Baitul Rahim, and then Masjid Rahmatullah Lampu, and then Masjid Hidayatullah Kuraya, and then Masjid Baitul Ma'arif in West Aceh. A lot of mosques just to prove, I think. The point is, how people when they get medicine, we back to the true way of thing. So the point is, what are you waiting for? When I ask them, sir, what are you waiting for? My guests gonna be get confused, then curious. Why? The old building still standing, but the others were gone, swept by the big disaster around the world, our health in our universe, I think. Right? I don't speak a lot about that because I got a lot of variant about that because I got a lot of guests from United States or United Kingdom or every country around the world. I'll explain the same thing about that. When a speaker or unbeliever didn't believe, declare as Allah as God, it's okay. I don't force them. You must come to Islam. No, I just explain. Can you imagine that? Everything will be destroyed. The only survivor is the only mass. What are you waiting for? Alright? My space is up. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.